Okay, so this video is primarily about how to make a refund. And then I also want to talk to you about how to treat your customers. I found out that one of the products I'm selling is on back order. So what I did is I went through each customer and I emailed them this message here. So due to the overwhelming demand of this product, and just you have to let them know whether or not it's going to adhere to the shipping policy that you said. For some people, they don't really care, they just want it eventually. For others, they need it immediately, but you should give them that choice. So he said thank you for letting me know, which is nice, but he still wanted a refund. So if you have somebody that wants a refund like that, and I did get another one from somebody else, so I'll show you how to do that. You click on their email, and usually you'll read this and you won't scroll down, but scroll down because it's going to make your life easier finding that order. And then you want to do it this way as opposed to going straight to PayPal, because if you go to PayPal you won't get the eBay credit fees sometimes, but it just makes it easier if eBay can see that you went through here. And then you want to go to view my PayPal. Now I scrolled down a little bit, but his information's at the top, but then you just scroll down to here and you click issue a refund, and if you want you can type a little note in there and then just click issue refund. And it shows confirm you refunded the buyer, and then you can go to view refund if you want, but it's not really necessary. And if you want to take it the extra step, go back to your eBay account, go back to the message and reply to them, and just out of formality say you have been refunded, sorry for the inconvenience, that sort of thing. But it just keeps the line of communication open, and then they know in the future they will trust you more, maybe to come back. Some may, some might not. But that's how you issue a refund. To save you time, I've already typed it up and I said I've issued a refund in full. Again, sorry for the inconvenience. I hope to serve you better in the future. Amy at DROPSHIPPING, and then send the message.